Hello everyone, welcome to the CadZest. So as you can see on the screen, this is a small 3D block that we want to create the same thing in the Autocad 3D. So before moving to the Autocad, let me explain. As you can see, the width is 64 and the length is 112. So this is a rectangle and we have two small features over here, 1 and 2, and third is a cutout. So go to the AutoCAD and select no template metric over here. Click on that. So take the top plane as it is top right now. So this is 64 and this is 112. Press L for line. Okay, and click on this for ortho mode. So ortho mode keeps your cursor in horizontal and vertical direction only. 64 112 64 again and press C. C will close it. Select the sketches like this and press J for join. So before joining, all the sketches are separated, and once you select all and press J and then press enter and select it, now all the sketches are connected. We call it polyline. Okay, we need to create three more rectangle, 1, 2 and 3. So we will create one by one. Press L, and as you can see, this length is 32 and 16. So go right direction. So 32 in right direction, 16 in the bottom, 32 again, and click over here. Select this rectangle like this from the left side, not from the right side. From the left side, select all, press J and join. Select this, press MI for mirror, enter. Select this object, enter, and click on this midpoint and go upward direction, press no. Select the object again, press MI, enter, click on this midpoint and go to the right direction. Click over here, press yes, because this time I want source object should be deleted, so click on that. Okay, and the third is, as you can see, this rectangle is 40 mm from the left side and 20 mm from the top side, and itself it is 32 by 24. So let's start. Thirty, sorry, 40. Control Z, enter 40, go up by 24 and 32 and 24. We have to go up by 20. So press Z, Control Z for undo, enter 20, 32, 24, 32 and click on that. So delete this thing and select this all, press J for join. Okay, click on SW isometric, EXT for extrude, this is 16 and this is 24. So keep in mind, press EXT for extrude command, select this object and define the direction by going in downward direction enter 16. Do the same process, ext, enter, select object, and we have to go upward. So total is 40 and in the downward it is 16, so we have to go 24 up. Same here, 24 up, and ext again, go into the bottom any distance. So click on shaded with edges, and as you can see we have to combine this object with this object and this object, and here we have to use subtract. So SU for subtract, select this object, enter, and select this object, enter. U and I for union, and select all these three objects and enter. So as you can see in the isometric, this part is exactly like this part. Okay, so this part is ready. So like, share and subscribe for more videos, guys. Thank you so much.